It's a neat Odisha 2020 question in two-dimensional motion. The question is like this. A truck is stationary and has a bob suspended by a light string in a frame attached to the truck. The truck suddenly moves to the right with an acceleration a, then the pendulum will tilt in what direction? That's a question, right? Let's try to understand the question first. There is a truck to which a bob is suspended with a light string like this in a frame attached to the truck. The truck suddenly moves towards the right. That means this is left, and the truck suddenly moves towards the right this way with an acceleration a. See, when you are trying to study the bob, which is in a truck who is having an acceleration, the first thing that you need to know is for bob, truck is the frame of reference. When that frame of reference is having acceleration a, this kind of the frames who are having acceleration are called non-inertial frames. We cannot apply Newton's laws of motion to the non-inertial motion directly. We shall first compensate that non-inertial frame's acceleration on the body that we are studying in the name of a pseudo force or a pseudo acceleration, so that the frame becomes the body becomes in a inertial frame. So on this bob, we shall imagine an acceleration pseudo whose magnitude is equal to the acceleration of the truck, but in opposite direction. A pseudo on bob equal to magnitude of A of the truck. Now this body becomes a body in inertial frame, and we can study that further. Yeah, what we can say is, as there is an acceleration acting on the bob towards the left, the bob tilts towards the left this way. Here, what are the forces acting on that? The weight mg or the g is acting in downward direction. A pseudo force is acting towards the left. As these two accelerations and forces are acting simultaneously on the bob, it will take a resultant direction. It will move in a resultant direction, making an angle theta with the vertical. So this also becomes an angle theta with the vertical. So here in this part of the triangle, in this part of the triangle, you can write tan theta is, this is theta. Tan theta means opposite side. This opposite side is nothing but acceleration. By adjacent side, nothing but gravity. So tan theta equal to A by G. Or theta equal to tan inverse of A by G. So this is what the pendulum turns when a truck moves backward, truck moves forward, pendulum moves backward, with an angle theta equal to this much, tan inverse of A by G. So this, which option is correct? To the left, of course. To the left, these two are correct. Oh, all are to the left, therefore you cannot eliminate option. But sine inverse is not possibility. So tan inverse is a possibility, but tan inverse of A by G, this is G by A. So this is also wrong. This is the right answer. So while solving this problem, you shall understand one important aspect of the problem. Most important aspect of the problem is you are studying a body that is in a truck who is having acceleration. That kind of a frame is called as a non-inertial frame. We cannot apply Newton laws to a non-inertial frame directly. Whenever non-inertial frame is there, to compensate that, on a body, we shall imagine a pseudo force and pseudo acceleration in the opposite direction. Then only that becomes an inertial frame. Then only we can solve the problem. That's an important point that you need to know while you are solving this problem. That's it. Thank you for watching.